Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel. So let's start discuss some important questions of the data science. We have covered the topic the covered machine learning, statistics, deep learning and other topics. So let's start with the first question, which is in the Bayes theorem PA upon B is equals to the. So as we know the formula of the Bayes theorem, PA upon B is equals to the PB upon me A into the PA upon me whole upon the PB. So now move to the next question. The question number second says that the question number second is the this rule description probability mass of the. So this is for the normal Gaussian distributions. Normal Gaussian distribution. So this rule specifies the percentage of data falling with 1, 2 and the 3 standard deviations from the mean in a normal distribution. So now move to the third question. The question number third says that the metric that measures the uncertainty gained when replacing distribution A with the B is called the, so as we know it is called the Kullback-Leibler divergence. So KL divergence measure how one probability distribution diverges from the another. Move to the next question. Ridge regression uses an L penalty with lasso uses an L penalty. So first one is for the L2 and the other one is for the L1. So ridge L2 regularization, lasso is the L1 regularization. So now move to the fifth question. Fifth question says that a model that performs the well onto the training but fails on the unseen data which suffers from the, so now it suffers from the model. So a model that performs the very well on the training data but poorly on the unseen data is said to suffer from the overfitting. So this happens when the model learns the noise instead of the patterns. Question number 6. So logistic regression estimation. In the logistic regression, coefficients are estimated using the maxima. So maximum likelihood estimation MLE finds a coefficient that maximizes the probability of observing with the given data. Now move to the seventh question. Now seventh question is for the topic from the SVM hyperplane. So the hyperplane in the SVM math maximize the distance between the classes is called the, so we know that the maximized distance between classes is called the maximal. Now move to the next question, which is from the K-means clustering. So in the clustering, K means minimize with the within cluster sum of the, so it is sum of the square. So K means aim to partition the data into the K cluster where the each data point belongs to the cluster with the nearest mean. So now move to the next question, which is from the PCA and the variance. So in the PCA, the first principal component captures the maximum possible data variance. So PCA first component captures the maximum variance. Now move to the next question. 10th question is from the deep learning. So in the clustering, K means minimize within the cluster sum of the image and the sequential, as the CNN handles the image and the RN handles the sequential. Now move to the 11th question, which is from the TensorFlow structure. So in the TensorFlow, the structure present the structure presenting the operations and the dependencies is called a, so now we the structure present the dependencies upon the another, it is called the graph. So now move to the Hadoop's storage system. So in the Hadoop's fault tolerant distributed storage system is called the HDFS, which stands for the Hadoop distributed file system. So now move to the 13th question, which is from the SQL. So a SQL query combining the rows from the multiple table based on the related columns uses the join. So now we use the join keyword to retrieve the data from the multiple tables by linking them based on the column. Move to the next question, which is from the Python. The Python collection which stores only the unique elements is called a set. We know that the set is a collection of unique elements. Now move to the 15th question. So bootstrapping is a resampling method that samples with. So bootstrapping involves drawing samples from a data set with the replacement to estimate the distribution of a statistic. So these are the 15 questions that we have discussed. So we have discussed another questions in the next video. So thank you.